Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a quick look at this 1998 Volvo S70. This is going to be a brief tour of the S70. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a few of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. Pale white exterior, brown leather interior. Has just over 100,000 miles. Fires right up. Tight steering, automatic transmission, traction modes, CD tape player.
News today, Bon Jovi guitar. Finally warm enough to get 3 plus 3. Alright.
I did. I slapped my girl. She caught a face. I did that time and spent that bread. I'm headed home. I'm almost there. Street lights.
Power sunroof control. Interior lights. Simple to use, dual zone climate control. Different zones, traction control, rear defrost, mirror heaters. Cup holders. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. Automatic driver's side down window. Power mirrors. Power locks. You also have your power trunk release, fuel cap release, full power driver's seat, 3-person memory. Tilt steering wheel. Straight body panels. Back seats do fold. Open up into the trunk. Manual passenger seat. go and see how it sounds. Sounding great. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the brief tour on the 98 Volvo S70. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.